أعوذ بكلمات الله تامت من شر ما هلك. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to achieve this juicy and tasty tilapia fish. This recipe is under an hour recipe, which makes it very easy, quick and simple in your busy day that you are trying to figure out what to do. Just do this recipe. So to start, I just wash my face very well with some vinegar and salt. Then I use some lemon as well to make sure it was clean. Then I added all my seasonings, which is some chili pepper because I wanted it to be spicy, some onion and garlic powder, some smoked paprika, some olive oil, and some salt to taste. I added some all-purpose seasoning as well. Then I set that to bake on 350. You can use your air fryer if that's what you have, or you can use the oven as well. Over here, it's been cooking for like 10 to 15 minutes. Then I brought it out to just brush some of the rest of the seasonings or marinade that was in the bowl. Make sure I coated everything, then I put it back in there. You can have this fish with rice, kenke, bangkun, you name it. On this day, I made some bangkun and I had it with it, and it was so delicious. I hope each and every one of you is doing wonderfully well. Thank you so much for the 1K subscribers. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. If you've been watching me till now, kindly subscribe to your girl and hit the like button. That helps with the channel as well. Until my next one, stay safe and be blessed. Bye.